All right, now I've got a question for you. Here we have declared this variable x equals to 10 plus 3 times 2. What do you think is the result of this expression? The result is 16. Let's run this program and find out. So run, there you go. We got 16. But why? Well, this is a very basic math concept that unfortunately a lot of people don't know. In math, the multiplication and division operators have a higher priority, so they get applied first. In this example, this expression 3 times 2 is evaluated first. The result is 6, and then 6 is added to 10. That's why we get 16. Now, if you want to change the order of these operators, you can always use parentheses. For example, if you want this expression to be evaluated first, we wrap it in parentheses. So, like this. Now, Java compiler will first evaluate this expression. The result will be 13, and then 13 is multiplied by 2. So we get 26. Take a look. There you go. So be aware of the order of these operations. Parentheses always have the highest priority. Then we have multiplication and division. And finally, we have addition and subtraction.